guys, this is Jerk and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is we're going to do another unboxing. Last year, you guys, kung nakita nyo or kung nakasubaybay kayo, pasensya na kayo sa ingay guys. Nag-renovate dito sa aming bahay, naayos yung kusina namin. So, pasensya na po. So, ayun nga. Today is we're going to unbox the Awesome OS Christmas Bundle. Kanina ko lang siya kinuha. So yeah, sabi ko nga kanina is I also did some unboxing last year. So watch this link. Click this link above. So yeah. So this is the Christmas Bundle from Awesome OS. Woo! Thank you very much, Awesome OS. But before we're going to start, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and drop some comments for feedbacks and suggestions. And with that, let's do an intro. So, ito na nga, yung una nating bubuksan is this one. So, anong laman ito? So, first is, medyo obvious itong, obvious tong laman ng isa. Ayan, box na lang. Ito, we have Virginia ham, pear-shaped ham. So, ayan. Ito yung laman ng isa. Ito. Ayan. Wow! So, para siyang shape ng Llanera, not the imported ham, kumbaga yung shape ham. So, we're still thankful kasi merong ham this Christmas, and this is the sauce. So, yeah. And then, the next item we have here is this special box. Actually, alam ko na yung mga laman nito, but I just want to share to you guys kung ano yung itsura, personally. So, yeah, buksan natin. Oh! Yeah. Ay, nakakuan siya. Hindi talaga siya naka-record. So, let's open it like this. Ay, hindi. Pahirapan to. I need some gunting here. Ipalos ba? Ayan. Ito na. Pahirapan ko. Pinapahirapan tayo ng Awesome OS ng content. While opening this, guys, I just want to thank Awesome OS, of course, and the Happy Team kasi sila yung nag-prepare nito. And we're so excited na matanggap nga ito. Instead of doing a year-end event, ito yung binigay sa amin. And unlike other video companies na wala talaga silang natanggap this Christmas. So we're very thankful that Awesome OS did something special this Christmas for all the employees ng Awesome OS, di ba? Awesome OS lang malakas, pa-promote. So yeah. So ito na nga yung laman niya. Tcharan! Ayan. So we have a cheese triangles. Yung brand niya is Imberg. Ayan. Wow! So expiration niya is February next year. And the other one is this wine. May pa-wine. Ayun siya. May pa-wine. So, it's La Corrida Tempranillo from Spain. So, ayun siya. Wow! So, chinek ng kasama ko, yung teammate ko, yung price niya is very affordable. Huwag natin yung gamitin yung other word. But it's very affordable, guys. And I think mabibili siya sa mga wine stores and supermarket. And I don't know kung anong yung lasa niya. Basta, inumin namin to this coming Christmas. Thank you very much. Yes! And then, yeah. And then, the last and most special item na binigay sa amin is this box. Compare sa last year na binigay sa amin, mas gusto ko tong klase ng box na to kasi yung last year parang plain brown box lang yung binigay at doon na yung nakalagay yung mga Christmas bundle. But this one is talagang sineperate nila to make sure na safe yung mga item na nakalagay. So yeah, and let's do the unboxing! Wow, effort na effort yung logo ng Awesome OS. Ito yung parang nagpapadala ng bida. Kasi, unlike, in my own observation guys, unlike other BPO companies, hindi talaga sila nag-effort na magbigay ng mga items or exclusive items for the employees. Like with a logo ng company, parang it feels like bragging rights or parang pride ng isang employee na they are working in a certain company like Awesome OS. Kaya para talaga siyang brand ng isang damit or isang kumpanya, 'di ba? And ang ganda niyang pagka-print and glossy niya, 'di ba? Wow! Yes. And ayan po siya. Meron pa siyang pa-box. May pa-box pa si Mayor. So ito yung naman niya. Wait. May pa-surprise. Hello! Ay, ang ganda. Taran! So we have here a pin. Yan. Awesome OS. A badge pin pala. Tawag mo. So, yun. Ito na. So, this is it. Ayan. It's tawag dito? Sweatshirt. Sweatshirt. So, yung tela niya, i-judge natin yung tela niya, guys. So, yung tela niya is makapal. And I feel na yung ginamit nila is yung afford talaga na masiserve yung mga number of employees ng company. Kasi it doesn't compare sa mga branded na mga jackets, but it feels cool. Feel ko naman di siya ganun ka mainit pag sinuot siya, and it's very perfect pag nag-back to office na kasi sobrang lamig sa office, and this is a perfect match pag nilalamig kami sa office. O diba? Brand na brand. And with that, let's see kung kasya sa akin. Suotin natin. Wala siyang garter, pero parang sakto na rin. This is size medium, and one thing I like about this item na binigay nila is all employees can choose what size you want. Unlike the free size na parang mapipilitan kang suotin yung mga malalaki or maliliit, diba? So, anyone can choose what size they want. So, akin is medium. So, again. Wow. This is... Ay, oh. Ang ganda niya. Parang minimalist lang yung design. But the brand itself is screaming. And I like the print kasi I hope na hindi siya matanggal ng ganun kadali. Parang emboss. Ayan. Hindi siya yung printed na logo, but it's emboss. Parang we just need to avoid na i-hand wash siya. Baka masira. So, ayun. Like it. Diba? Pangpormahan. Charot! So, wala siyang design sa likod. Ayan. Totally ganyan talaga siya. Plain black and the Awesome OS logo. So, yeah. That's it. Thank you very much. And may lakad kami mamaya. So, susulitin ko siya. And magkikita kami ng mga, alam mo na. Huwag natin sabihin, baka Baka mahuli na naman tayo. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I think that's it for this video, guys. And again, thank you very much Awesome OS for giving this Christmas bundle for this year. And we all know na kababago lang is some of our kababayan in the northern Mindanao and Visayas was affected during the Typhoon Odette, and we are really praying for the recovery, and laban lang tayo, guys. And I think Awesome OS did some reach out or mga they prepare something about relief goods sa mga naapektuhan ng bagyo. And yeah, they're asking for some donations and cash donation or kung ano mang mai-donate ng mga employees, so what we can deliver and reach out to those affected kababayans natin. And we are very um, hoping na makabangon kayo before the Christmas, guys. And with that, yeah, thank you very much for watching. And again, this is Jerick. And one thing for sure, another thing pala, guys, in behalf of all the employees of Awesome OS, thank you again for giving us this Christmas bundle. And ano pa ba? May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Wala na. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jerick, and Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Awesome people! See you in the office very, very soon, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Mwah! Hey! Bago tayo tuloy ang matapos, guys, meron palang sticker sa box. Ayan. It's Awesome OS sticker. Yun lang. Have a great day again. Bye-bye!